Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate this other mother look inspired by the character from the movie Coraline. I recently just rewatched this movie and I forgot how creepy it is. Honestly, one of the creepier cartoon kids movies, in my opinion. But anyway, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I did was prep my brows, so I'm going to want to cover these to achieve the really animated cartoon style. So I first took a washable glue stick, covered my brows, then placed concealer and translucent powder right over top. This is going to help give a thick coating to really flatten the brow and allow me to cover them. Then I'm going to start carving out my face to get the really sharp cheekbones and jawline. You can freehand this or use a straight edge to get the really harsh, defined line. And I'm just using a black shadow for this, placing this again in the cheekbones, the jawline. And then I'm also going to start to bring it down on the neck so I can create the illusion of the super skinny, long, skeletal looking neck and chest. Then taking my white concealer, I'm going to place this in the highlight areas, so the areas that I really want to pop forward. So the top of my cheekbones, my chin, down the center of my nose. Then again, I'm also going to use the darker shadow to contour my nose to make it really long and skinny looking. So I'm going to place this on the sides of the bridge and then circle around the tip to really define that point. So I quickly just swapped out my background because I forgot to before starting this video. But moving on to the eyes, I'm going to take the black and place these around the eye where the button is going to be. This is honestly just to help me figure out where my latex placement is going to go. So you can see I take the latex and a paper towel and I apply quite a few layers to create sort of like a little shelf for the button to sit in. This is also going to create sort of like an eyelid look, because in the movie she does have like very sunken in skeletal type eyes. So it goes along with the look, but also allows me to achieve the end result by being able to stick my button right in there.
Hi, babe. Love you.
My eye. So while the latex is drying, I'm going to move on to my lips, just using a black lipstick and liner to cover these. I also wing out the ends a bit, again, just to make them very animated looking. I'm just going to place a small beauty mark to match hers right above my lip area. For the brows, you're going to use your liquid black eyeliner, and you're going to do a very animated, whimsical type brow. This gives more of like that angry or concerned expression to the look. Once your liquid latex has dried, you then can apply your concealer and powder to match the face and cheekbone area. Then to finish this up, I just added my black wig. Oh, also, if you are gonna try and wear this out, the way that I place these, using that little shelf or pocket style with the latex, allows you to see around and through the button. So you're welcome. This look is mid-transformation. If you are wanting to do it more towards the end, where she's like super evil and you have like the cracks in the skin or veins, I'm not really sure what they're supposed to be, but the black lines basically, you can easily add that using the liquid liner and shadow. But I just preferred to do it this way. Totally up to you. That's everything for how I recreated Other Mother look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. If there's a look you're looking for this year, be sure to comment that down below so I can add that to my to-do list. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.